Hi children, welcome back to your online IT class. What we learned in the previous class is we learned about the ways of selecting text using mouse with a keyboard. Do you remember that? In this session, we are going to study about cut and paste option, copy and paste option, finally find and replace option. Are you ready? Children, today we are going to learn about cut and paste option. Do you know what is the use of cut and paste option? Sometimes you may need to move text or a picture from one place to another place or from one location to another location. In Microsoft Word 2016, the cut and paste option helps you to do this. Okay, first you have to type this line in page number 44. You can see that lines. First you have to write that little baby, L capital, press shift key and press L. Little baby, O capital, press shift key and press O. O, so, enter key. One day you will be big and tall, small. Third line, I watch you while you laugh and play. Enter key. My love for you grows every day. Okay, there is one mistake. In the first line we have to write little baby, oh so small. I wrongly typed that small in the second line. Look, this word. We have to type this small here after this so. After this so, you have to write small. But I wrongly typed that word small in the end of the second line. So here we have to move that word from the second line to the first line. To do so, you have to select this word first. How you will select this? Is place the mouse before this S and click there, then click and drag. What happened? Or double click on this word. You can select this by using two ways. First one, click and drag. Second one, double click on this word. Then click on this cut option. This is cut option. Look, this is cut option. You can use Ctrl plus X or you can click on this cut button. Okay, you can use Ctrl plus X button on the keyboard or you can click on this cut option. I am going to click on this cut option. Look what happened there is that word is removed from the second line. If you want to place that word in the first line after so, first you have to click after this word so. Place the cursor at the end of the first line like this. Click there. Then click on this paste button. This is paste button. You can use the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key of paste? Ctrl plus V. Now we are going to study about the next option, copy and paste. What is the use of copy option? Do you know? The copy option or the copy command is used to take the duplicate copy of the original text or picture. Understood? The copied items are stored in the clipboard. What is the use of this clipboard? Is that copied items are stored in the clipboard forever. You can take any number of copies or you can paste any number of copies from the clipboard. Understood? I am going to take the copy of this word. The word is baby. I am going to take one copy of this word. Actually, the last line is like this. My love for you grows every day, baby. But at the end of that line, we can't see the word baby. So I am going to take one copy of that word. To do so, you have to select that. First, you have to double click on this word. Now you can see the highlighted word. That means that word is selected. Okay. Then click on this copy option on the home tab. Or you can use Ctrl plus C. The shortcut key for copy option is Ctrl plus C. Okay. Otherwise, you just right click on the word. There you can see copy option. Click there. I'm going to click on this copy option on the home tab. This is copy option. Or you can use Ctrl plus C, or you can right click on the word and use copy option. Okay, you can use 3 ways to choose copy option. Okay, then I am going to click on this copy option under the home tab. Click there. Now the word is copied in the clipboard. You can take number of copies from the clipboard. I need one copy. So after click on that copy option, place the cursor at the end of the last line. After this word day, click there. And you can use Ctrl plus V or click on this paste option under the home tab, or right click on the cursor position and this is clipboard. You just click on that paste option. You will get the copy of that word. Okay. If you press Ctrl plus V or click on this paste option, you will get any number of that copy. Just click there 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened? You get that word 5 times. Understood? Then say, what is the use of copy option? Copy option is used to take a duplicate copy of the original word or text or image or picture. Understood? Now we are going to study about find and replace option. At first we are going to study about find option. Children, do you know what is find option? Yes, find option is used to find a particular word or text from a document. Here I am going to find the word, I am going to search the word crow. I would like to know how many times the word crow was repeated in this document. To do so, follow these steps. At first, you click on this home tab. Then go to editing group. This is editing group. Here you can see find option. This is find option. You just click there, or you can use Ctrl plus F on the keyboard. That is the shortcut key for find option. Understood? Click there. Then you will get a navigation pane. This is the navigation one. Here you can search the word. You have to type here the word crow. C-R-O-W. Yes, what happened there? Now the search results are displayed in the navigation pane and each crow in the document are highlighted in yellow color. Look, you will get the preview of the result in the navigation pane also. Look, yes, this is the preview of the result. Okay, you can navigate through these words. You can click previous or next arrows to jump between search result like this. Okay, you can use previous or next arrows to jump between the search result like this. This is your preview of the results. You can go through the search result using previous or next arrow key. You can use this is previous arrow, this is next arrow. If you go through the next, then click on this next arrow like this. If you want to go to previous, click on this previous arrow. Okay. The next we are going to study about replace. What is the use of replace option? You can see replace option in the editing group. This is replace option. What is the use of that replace option? Do you know? As you can replace the words or text with any alternate text. To replace the text, follow these steps. I am going to replace the word crow with the word pigeon. In the place of that word crow, you can see the word pigeon. We are going to replace that word crow with the word pigeon. Are you ready? To do so, you just click on this replace option from the editing group. This is editing group. This is replace option, or you can use Ctrl plus H. It is the shortcut key for replace option, Ctrl plus H. I am going to click on this replace option. Click there. Then you will get a window like this. Here in the find what field, this is the find what field. Here you have to type crow, that is already there. If there is not crow, you can write there CROW. Then in this field, this is the replace with field. This field, you can type pigeon, PIGEON. Then click on this replace all. Then click on this OK button. Close this. What happened? Yes, that word crow is changed to pigeon. Look, here, 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 and here. Okay. Yes, here the word crow got replaced by pigeon. Look, here the word crow got replaced by pigeon in all places in the document. Then say what is the use of replace option? Yes, you can replace the word or text with any alternate text. Understood? Here we are changed the word crow and replaced that with pigeon. Understood? Okay, bye. Children, that's all for today's class. Today we learned about cut and paste option, copy and paste option, at last find and replace option. Do you remember? Okay. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.